To begin the ZATA test, select the required ZATA test button on the main menu. Unlike Smart Supra, the ZATA program can use data from a previous test. Choose the patient from the database if they have been tested before. A list of all patients is displayed alphabetically in tree or list view. Select a patient's entry, and the list will filter, displaying their previous tests. ZATA tests matching the current type are listed in chronological order. If no ZATA tests are available, all previous tests will be listed. Press the Undo button if the wrong patient was selected to start again. The most recent test will be highlighted. Confirm and press the Load button. The patient data has been loaded, as well as any RX values stored in the database. Press the RX button to review the RX and calculate the trial lens. The suitable trial lens for the patient's RX and age is displayed here and repeated on the patient information panel here. By default, the test starts with the right eye and on the 24-2 test pattern. The volume of the beep can be adjusted in device settings. The interstimulus interval can be adjusted in test settings. Selecting the plus button makes the presentations faster. The blind spot location and foveal threshold buttons are disabled until the test is started. The fixation point can be switched between single and 4-point fixation. Ensure the patient is seated comfortably with their left eye occluded and line their right eye up in the video window. Using the chin rest buttons to raise the chin rest to support their head. Ensure the patient is looking at the chosen fixation and select the Start Test button. A series of demonstration stimuli is followed by a series of presentations to locate the blind spot before automatic testing starts. The test progress and status can be viewed in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, with the false positives rate being an important patient attention indicator to follow during the test. To stop the test at any time, press the Stop button. To resume, press the Play button again. The patient can also pause the test by holding down the Response button. The test finishes when all 54 locations have been tested. The grayscale, threshold numbers, and deviation plot can be viewed on screen. If any locations had lower than expected thresholds, these locations and their neighbors would be retested automatically. If required, the test can be extended to the 30-2 pattern. The foveal threshold can be measured at any time after the test has started. Or, we can realign the patient, press the OS button, and repeat for the left eye.